Today I'll be telling you a story about this very extremely privileged girl living in India in a small town called Dehradun. So this girl went to a very privileged school and studied all that she could have in the best of the environment, and after that she went to England to study business studies. And once she came back and joined her family business, she wasn't really happy. She had everything that it took her to be a great daughter, a great scholar, a great student, a great citizen, but there was something missing. Welcome everybody. Hi, this is Nupur, founder of Kiwi Kisan Window and Evolve Foundation, trying to empower people and communities and society. Me. And I, belonging to such a privileged sector of the society, did not know my fundamental rights. And that's what got me to initiate Evolve Foundation and Kiwi Kisan Window. Evolve Foundation and Kiwi Kisan Window both exist for the purpose of eradicating poverty and hunger from the rural parts of our country and also the urban centers. So how we do that? So Evolve Foundation actually empowers people at the grassroots and creates empowerment and skill generation, skill development, education, healthcare, and more livelihood, that is income generation at the grassroots of this country. And how we do that at Kiwi Kisan Window is by giving farmers the opportunity of a window of growing organic and healthy conscious food and making a source of income for them as well. So we are trying very hard to eradicate poverty in this country, especially at the rural level. And we are doing it by creating a social enterprise, by involving technology in it so that it is highly scalable, and by actually going to the grassroots of this country. So our purpose is to harness the potential in the rural part of this country and channelize it for generating income, employment, creating skill development, education and healthcare. I think if I get this award, which will be a very big honor and more of a privilege, because I just want to motivate and inspire more people. And this aspect of eradicating poverty and hunger from this country or from the world should be a mass movement. It should not only be me who's thinking about it, but through my channels, my resources, I want to empower more and more people to take such steps, to take such initiatives. And trust me guys, everybody has the potential, they just need a little bit of motivation, little bit of empowerment, little bit of inspiration. And that is what this award is doing for me. And I hope that I receive this award and empower millions of people and channelize and harness more and more potential and eradicate poverty from the world. Thank you so much.